Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. Plagiarism reduction and fixing grammar error in our research paper is one of the biggest problem faced by our researchers. So in this we want to explore different types of rewriting tools to rewrite our content and without changing the meaning, core meaning of the sentences. So and then we will check for plagiarism again. So here is a tool we are going to discuss today. Will provide a best rewritten content, and also it has different options like that is grammar fixing, etc., to improve the quality of your research paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper content preparation. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on microgrid operation and control. So in this workshop we are going to model AC and DC microgrid with different renewable energy sources. We are going to operate this setup with grid connected mode as well as standalone mode of operation. So and we are going to make a proper energy management in the grid control according to the availability of the input power and the grid power. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that just rewrite. So here you can see this is the dashboard of this just rewrite AI tool. So here you can see that you can input your text in any of the language and ask AI to think and reply to the above text. So as like chatbot, you can ask for a reply. So after that it will generate it here. So you can just give rewrite. So you can select the different languages in what is the language is has to be rewritten. So let us explore with some input content. Here I have just copied a simple sentence. So here you can give option called, you can give whatever you want here, fixed grammar, and you can give professional. So and then you can give make it briefer. So you can generate hashtags too. So after that in this you can select any of the language you want. So here you can see these are the different languages are available. So just click on just rewrite. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can see that so our rewritten content will be generated. So operating silently without any moving parts or environmental emissions, PV system has developed from being niche market applications in the mature technology used for mainstream electricity generation. So this is how it is generated. Next you can see PV system which operates silently without moving parts or environmental emissions and evolved from niche applications into mature technology widely used for mainstream electricity generation. So this is how the rewritten content will be generated. So here you can see most probably this is rewritten very nicely. So like that you can make use of this option to generate a better content for your research paper writing. Here I am going to do the same again for different languages. So I am going to copy the content. So after that I am going to select in different languages. For example, I am going to select. So here you can see, so there are different languages are available, wide variety of language. I am going to select this Tamil. So here after that you can click enter. So it will generate content. So the only thing is that so it will only limited free words are available for free. So after that you have to go for subscription option. So here you can see click on the amount. So click here for pricing plans. So here you can see for premium it is $10 per month, 14-day free trial. So and you can see advanced AI and grammar checks, professional and friendly styles, unlimited content and emojis, premium supports and updates. Next premium yearly. So it is $99 per year. So over 15% savings yearly. All premium features are available. So these are the different plans and pricing options in this just rewrite AI. So go on and explore this just rewrite AI. If it works out well for you, so you can go go for this subscription option. So it is $10 and you can get 14-day free trial also. So it is a unique tool which is generating a different words or different content. So you can make use of this option. So other than that I am going to add you in a in this video one more thing about 𝐸LBot. So 𝐸LBot is one of the best paraphrasing tool. Many of you can aware about that. It's one of the best paraphrasing tool. So here the new options many of you don't know is added in this 𝐸LBot, that is called 𝐸LBot flow, and then you can see plagiarism checker. So here in this 𝐸LBot flow, so you can add any of the documents here, so and it will show the that is flow of that particular part. So here you can make use of this option. So here you can see that smart start, so you can start with using this option called essay, blog or research paper, whatever you want you can give. So for example, I am going to give so research paper grid connected system, so like that I am going to give. So it will give you a smart start for that research paper. So here you can see that, so how you can proceed further with this outline. So here you can see that introduction and components of a grid connected system, and then benefits of a grid connected system, challenges of a grid connected system, case studies for successful grid connection system, next the future outlook of grid connected system, conclusion. So these are the different options available. So here itself you can paraphrase, summarize or translate, whatever you want you can do. So this is the new option added in that 𝐸LBot, and then you can see the option called plagiarism detector. So you can see that plagiarism detector, and then you can see AI detector also. So in this AI detector you can copy and paste any content from that is AI tool, and it will show that content will be generated from AI. So in this, for example, in order to explore, I am going to ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT. So we will generate some content and we will check it out with 𝐸LBot. For example, I am going to give so renewable explain about machine learning in single paragraph. So like that I am going to give an input, explain about machine learning in a single paragraph. So it will generate a content. For example, if you want to check this for AI plagiarism, so you can copy and go to that free AI detector and you can paste here, and you can give analyze text. So here you can see that 100% of text is likely AI generated. So here you can see that AI generated text will be shown here, as we have generated all this text by ChatGPT itself. So it will generate, it will showing that it is 100% AI detection. So here if you want to paraphrase that content, so you can use the 𝐸LBot paraphrase itself. So in this 𝐸LBot paraphraser, so you can click option called try paraphraser. So it will lead to the paraphrasing that is tab of that 𝐸LBot. So here you can copy the content which is generated by AI. So here I am going to copy the same content here, so paste here, so and you can rewrite the content. So that is paraphrase the content. So after paraphrasing, what you can do is, so copy the same again, so open a new tab. So it is only do it for 100 words only. So after that you can go for AI detector again. So after going to AI detector, so copy and paste the paraphrased content by 𝐸LBot itself. So and then you can give an option called analyze text. So here you can see that 100% of the text is likely AI generated. So it is also AI generated and paraphrased. You can see the difference that it is AI generated before that while making the content from ChatGPT. So it is showing that it is generated, that is AI generated content. So after paraphrasing, it is showing that AI generated and paraphrased. So this is how you can see the difference between both. This can be detected by Turnitin AI detection. So you can make use of this option in this 𝐸LBot to paraphrase your content. So again you can use any AI to human conversion tool to convert AI to human generated content using this 𝐸LBot also. So this is the important option added, so you can try out this also. So in this video we have discussed about two different AI tools which will be useful for our rewriting our content which is generated from any of the AI tool. So you can generate content from that AI tool and make your research paper writing simple, and you can reduce plagiarism using this both this rewriting tools. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.